Hey everybody, it's Todd. You know I get to travel the country coast to coast showing off Blackstone Griddles. Love meeting people from different parts of the country. Now down south, people are always bragging about biscuits and gravy, grits, of course, and my favorite, cinnamon brown sugar apples. I'm going to show you how to serve it up with country ham, sourdough toast, and fried eggs. I'm going to start with 4 Honeycrisp apples. I'm going to cut those in half and then quarter them out. Make sure you remove the seeds. I'm on the Blackstone range top combo today. Have the burner on low. We're going to start with 4 to 5 tablespoons of butter. We're going to add the apples, followed by a quarter cup or so of granulated sugar, a couple tablespoons of brown sugar. Got to have brown sugar. A teaspoon or so of ground cinnamon, maybe about 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of ground nutmeg. Mix it up and just let it go for about 8 to 12 minutes. Make sure you keep mixing that and watch the heat. If it's too hot, turn it down, or you might even need to slide the skillet off the burner. Just make sure that doesn't burn. We want these apples to be extra special, so I'm going to put some cornstarch in a bowl, followed by a ½ cup of fresh apple cider. We're going to whisk that up. Going to dump it into the skillet like a delicious caramel syrup. Mix that up, but you don't want it to burn, and just let those flavors incorporate. Meanwhile, over on the griddle, I've got a couple slices of country ham, sourdough toast, and I'm going to crack a couple of eggs. I'm going to add some of the Blackstone Breakfast Blend seasoning. Folks, if you haven't tried it, it's great, and you can pick it up at your local Walmart. Everything's done, so let's plate it up. If you're like me, you love breakfast. Breakfast for breakfast, and even breakfast for dinner. Take a look at that. Let's give it a try. A good old-fashioned country breakfast just gets my motor running, but back to eating. Folks, if you want my recipe for cinnamon, brown sugar apples, and other recipes, just visit us at blackstoneproducts.com. Head out on the highway! Get my motor running. Looking for adventure. And whatever comes my way. Hey, darling, gonna make it happen. Fire all of my guns at once. Explode in the space.